Flexbox items not aligning? Here's a clean, perfectly centered layout using align items the right way. Title: DevFix Flexbox Align Items Fix. Inside the body, we create a div with the class card. Inside the card, we add a heading H3, Design System. Next, a paragraph, Modern CSS Framework. Then, a button, Explore. Finally, we link our HTML to the CSS file using the link tag inside the head section. We start by styling the body. Set a light blue background color. Use Flexbox with Display Flex. Center everything horizontally with Justify Content Center and vertically with Align Item Center. Set the minimum height to 100 VH and apply Arial as the font. Next, we style the card. Set display to flex and align items to center. Add a gap of 20 pixels between elements. Apply a white background, padding of 24px 32px, and a border radius of 16px. Add a subtle box shadow for depth. Then, we remove default margins from H3, paragraph, and button. Finally, we style the button. Set a blue background color and white text. Remove the border, add padding, and round it with a 30px border radius. Set the cursor to pointer for interactivity. And that's how you fix Flexbox alignment fast. If this helped you, hit subscribe for more quick CSS fixes like this. See you in the next one.